Hey everybody, good morning. It's Andy with RS Xperience, and today I'm heading up to Forgeline Wheels up in Dayton, Ohio to take a look at some winter wheels for the M2 CS. Now, I say winter wheels, but they really aren't winter wheels. I'm just looking for another set of wheels to use in the winter so that I don't have to have the lovely these gold wheels that I really like on the M2, so I don't drive those in the winter. So I think Forgeline is now selling, I think it's called Flow Formed wheels. Relatively inexpensive. I'm not gonna spend $1,500, $2,500 for wheels to put on for the winter. So let's go ahead, let's take a ride up there and let's check out what they have. Hey, I'm Andy, a high-performance car enthusiast with a passion for well-engineered automobiles. I love to drive mountain roads with like-minded enthusiasts, along with sharing driving tips and techniques in my Porsche GT3 RS and BMW M2 CS. We made it up to Forgeline Wheels up in Dayton. So we're gonna go inside, we're gonna take a look at some of the free flow form. I gotta get this right. I think it's flow form wheels. We're gonna take a look at those, see what our options are, and we'll go from there. For certain reasons, I can't be filming inside. I hope you can appreciate that. I was all set to go on this flow form wheel or whatever it was gonna be. Again, they're reasonably priced and whatnot. Then we were inside the shop and I saw this wheel that I just think on BMW's a lip on the wheel, like it had a polished lip with the gray center, and I think with the gold calipers for the ceramic brakes. I just looked at that and I was like, oh my God. So it's a 3-piece wheel, obviously a little bit more money, but we're gonna get a quote on both of those and then also get a quote on the tires, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's on the car, and then we'll go from there, and I'll keep you posted on which one we go with. Please subscribe to this channel if you are passionate about performance cars, want to better your driving skills, want to learn about new cars from an unbiased reviewer, are interested in car modifications and gear.